The human eye forms the image of an object at its A. Cornea, B. Iris, C. Pupil, D. Retina. The least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is about A. 25 m, B. 20 cm, C. 25 cm, D. 20 m. The persistence of vision for normal eye is, in seconds, A. 1/16, B. 1/8, C. 1/5, D. 1/12. Which of the following will have most refractive index? For same medium of propagation? A. Red, B. Violet, C. Yellow, D. Green. The rainbow formation takes place due to A. Dispersion of light, B. Scattering of light, C. Absorption of light, D. Both A and B. The main reason of color of sky to be blue is A. Dispersion of light, B. Scattering of light, C. Total internal refraction of light, D. None of the above. We see sunset dash. Actual sunset happens A. 2 minute after, B. 2 minute before, C. Both are false, D. Both A and B is true, depending on situation. What would have been the color of sky without atmosphere? A. White, B. Blue, C. Dark, D. Red. Suppose you are in danger, and you need to give signal. To save yourself, what color you prefer? A. Red, B. Yellow, C. Blue, D. Violet. The muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupils. A. Cornea, B. Ciliary muscles, C. Iris, D. Retina.